Good morning, dear students. My name is Prashant and I am taking 7th standard mathematics. In the previous videos, I have discussed about exercise 1.1 up to 6th problem. To 6th problem we solved. Today in this video we are going to solve 7th main and 8th main. 7th main and 8th main. I will read 7th main for you and I will discuss the solution. So 7th main, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Check which of the following is a magic square. So first you have to understand what do you mean by magic square. Magic square means each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. Each row, column and diagonal. So row is horizontal. This is these 3 rows and 3 columns. Columns are vertical and diagonal means in a crossway. This is the diagonal. So if we add the numbers in a row, in all 3 rows and all 3 columns and 2 diagonals, then we must get the same answer. If we get the same answer, such square is known as a magic square. So I will try first one. See, now solutions. 7th main, first one. As already the square is here, we will first add a first row. Just add first row. 5 minus 1 minus 4. 5 minus 1 minus 4. What is the answer? 5. This is positive and there is no positive here, so I will keep it as a 5 as it is. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4. Same sign. Therefore we have to add this to 4 plus 1, 5, and it will get the sign, greater number sign among these two, because we are adding these two and we are keeping the first number as it is. So among these two, which one is greater? 4. Its sign is minus, therefore it will get the sign minus. Now this 5 is positive, this 5 is negative. Okay, one is positive, another one is negative. What you have to do? You have to subtract the numbers. 5 minus 5, 0, and 0 don't have any sign. It's neither positive nor a negative, it's a neutral number. Second row, minus 5, minus 2, and 7 means what? Plus 7 only. If there is no sign is given, we have to take it as a plus. One is positive, 2 are negative. So first you add these two, negative, negative. You have to add both numbers. 5 plus 2, 7. Among these two, 5 is greater, its sign is minus, therefore it will get the minus. And this plus 7 will be as it is. Now minus plus subtraction. Therefore 7 minus 7 will give you 0. Next, third row. 0 plus 3. Just if 3 is written, you have to take it as a plus 3. Next one is a minus 3. Now you try. One is 0. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. Leave 0. Plus 3 minus 3. What you have to do? You have to subtract, because signs are different. 3 minus 3 will give you answer 0. So all 3 rows answer is 0. Now we will go column by column. First column. Column means in this vertical form. 5 minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 0. One is positive, another one is a negative. You have to subtract the numbers. 5 minus 5 will give you 0. Go for second column. In second column, minus 1 minus 2, 3 means what? Plus 3. Try to solve it. So this is one is positive, remaining 2 are negative. So first solve these two. Minus 1, minus 2. Same sign, add these two. 1 plus 2, 3. Among these two, 2 is greater, its sign is minus. Therefore, it will get the sign minus. And this plus 3 as it is. Now, one is negative, another one is a positive. One is negative, another one is positive. You have to subtract the numbers. 3 minus 3 will give you 0 and 0 don't have any. Third column. Third column. Minus 4 plus 7 minus 3. You can observe one negative is here, one negative is here, middle is positive. No problem. You leave this plus 7 as it is. Plus 7 you keep plus 7 as it is. This is minus 4, this is minus 3. Same sign now. Therefore add 4 plus 3 will give you 7. And which sign you are going to give? Among this 4 and 3, which one is greater? 4 is greater. Its sign is minus. Therefore you have to give minus. Now plus 7 minus 7. Signs are different. You have to subtract 7 minus 7. 7 minus 7, 0. So 3 rows answer is also 0. 3 columns answer is also 0. Now we have to check 2 diagonals. We will get only 2 diagonals, no? Like this. Like this. 2 diagonals. Okay. First diagonal. First diagonal. First diagonal, what numbers we deal with? Okay, from here 5 plus 5 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 3. Sorry. See, 1 is positive, 2 are negative. So leave this positive, keep this positive as it is because we don't have any other number now. Minus add these two. 2 plus 3 is a 5. Among these two, which one is greater? 3. 3 is the sign is minus. Therefore, it will get the sign minus. Plus 5 and minus 5. Again, signs are different. 5 minus 5 will give you 0. Okay. Last, second diagonal. If our second diagonal answer is also 0, then this square, or this box, is known as a magic square. If second diagonal answer is not equal to 0, then it is not called as a magic square. Let's try. Second diagonal. Minus 4, minus 2, 0. Minus 4, minus 2, plus 0 or minus 0. Anything you can write. Now look here. This is 0. If you add 0 to any number, you will get the same number. So, no need to worry about a 0. Minus 4, minus 2. Signs are same. Both signs are negative. Therefore, you have to add 4 plus 2, 6. Among these two, which one is greater? 4. Its sign is minus. Then you will get minus. Or even if you take this plus 0 as it is also, minus 6 plus 0 will give you answer minus 6 only. Minus 6 into 0, if it is an into multiplication sign, then you will get the answer 0. But if you add any number to 0, you will get the same number back. Okay, therefore 0 is known as the additive identity. It keeps the identity of that number intact, means it will not change that number. If you add 0 to any number, whatever number you are adding to 0, no, that number will not be changed. Therefore minus 6 plus 0 will give you minus 6 only. Therefore, what is your conclusion now? All 3 rows, 3 columns and 1 diagonals, all answers the same, but second diagonal answer is different. Therefore, the first solution is the given square is not a magic square. Therefore, given square is not a magic square. Therefore, I urge you all to solve in the similar fashion. You must try this second problem. Take it as a homework. Take this second box or second square as a homework. Try in a similar fashion how I showed here. If you get all answers same, not 0 only, if any other than 0, it may be any number. For example, you are getting 3, 3, 3, 3, everywhere 3 answer 3, then also it is magic square. If you are getting negative number also, for example, if you are getting -5, -5, everywhere -5, then also it is magic square. But you must and should get a same answer. If you add all 3 rows, all 3 columns and 2 diagonals, you must get the same answer. Then it is known as a magic square. You just try it in your home by looking at the solution. You can pause the video and you can write the notes. Okay. Now I will move towards a second. You just copy it. I will move towards a 8th main. Okay. 8th main. Now, 8th main solutions. 8th main solutions. I will read 8th main. Please listen carefully and try to understand. 8th main, verify. What do you mean by verify? Verify means you have to check it. Okay, you check ಮಾಡಬೇಕದನ್ನ. Verify a minus under bracket minus b is equals to a plus b for the following values of a and b. Okay, they gave one formula here, a minus under bracket minus b is equals to a plus b. Now you have to check whether this formula is correct for the given a and b values. Can you check ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕೀಗ. For example, in the first question, a value is given, b value is given. You have to write this formula, and in place of a, you have to put the value 21. In place of b, you have to put the value 18. Here also a value 21, b value 18, and you have to solve. And left side of this equal sign is known as a LHS, whereas right side of the equality sign is known as a RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then it's a true. Then it's a true. If LHS is not equals to RHS, then it's a false. Okay. We will take a first one. A is equal to 21. B is equal to 18. What do you need to check? What do you need to verify? You need to verify a minus under bracket minus b. It means this minus belongs to this 4 minus b. Bracket act as an into here. Multiplication sign is equal to a plus b. Okay. Now you put the values. You put the values in place of a and b. A is given 21. This minus as it is. This bracket as it is, this minus as it is. B means what? 18. Close this bracket. Equality sign. In place of a, 21. This plus as it is. In place of b, 18. Okay. This part is known as LHS. It is on the left side of the observer. This is RHS. Now solve individually. Okay. I already told you to do any subtraction, addition. First you need to open the brackets. Okay. Until and unless you don't open this bracket, you cannot add or subtract this numbers. So 21 as it is. 21 is positive. Please remember, any number sign is on its left side. It is not on its right side. 21 is not negative. 21 is a positive because on the left side there is no sign. If there is no sign, it is considered to be positive. Okay. Now to open this bracket, what we need to do? We need to multiply the outer sign with the inner sign. Okay, what is the sign present inside the bracket? So minus into minus is what? Plus. This 18 will come outside. Two sign will multiply to give one sign. Remember. So here there are two signs. Why you are using one sign? It is not like that. Two signs. What are the two signs here? Minus, minus. Two signs are multiplied. Multiply is shown by what? Bracket here. Two signs are multiplied to give one sign. Okay. Plus into plus is plus. Plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is minus. Minus into minus is plus. If you multiply same signs, you will get a positive. If you multiply different signs, you will get a negative. Same signs are multiplied, you will get a positive. Next, this equal sign as there is no bracket here. 21 is positive, 18 is also positive. 21 plus 18, 21 plus 18, 31, 39. 39. 21 plus 18, 39. So LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equals to RHS. Therefore, it is a true. I hope you are understanding. I will solve one more question for you. That is let us say. Take this second one as a homework. Take this second one as a homework. I will solve third question and take a fourth question as a homework. Okay, I will solve third question. Same, everything remains same. Third question. 8th में third one. A is equal to 75. A is equal to 75. B is equal to 84. What we need to verify? We need to verify this formula. A minus under bracket minus B is equal to A plus B. Next up, in place of A and B, you just put these values. This is called as a substitution. This is called as a substitution. Substitution means to replace A with the given value, B with this given value. This is known as substitution. Okay. Next step is substitution. Substitute. A is given 75 minus as it is. This minus as it is. B is what? 84 equals to A is what? 75. This plus as it is. B is a 84. Next step is to open the brackets. Next step, you have to open it. Wherever brackets are present, just open it. How to open it? Multiply the outer sign with the inner sign. Then you can open the sign. 75 is negative or positive? Just think, 75 is a positive number because any number's sign is on its left side, not on the right side. Therefore, 75 is positive. Write 75 as it is. Now, to open this bracket, we need to multiply these two signs. If you multiply these two signs, you will get only one sign and bracket will be opened. And so minus into minus will give you plus. Then this 84 will come on the side. This is positive as it is. This is also positive as it is. If two numbers are positive, what you are going to do? You have to add them. 75 plus 84. In rough, you can add 75 plus 84. 159. 159. Which sign you are going to give? Greater number sign. Among these 70 and 84, the greater one is 84, its sign is plus 159. Positive, positive. Add these two numbers. Again you are going to get the answer 159 plus 159. Therefore, LHS is equal to left hand side is equal to right hand side RHS. Therefore, it's true. Therefore, it is a true. 3 dots. These 3 dots means therefore it's true. So today I gave 3 homeworks for you. You have to check 7th main second problem whether it is a magic square or not. In 8th main you have to try second problem and the 4th problem. Very easy. Peacefully sit at one peaceful place, use headphones, listen the classes carefully, okay, and try yourself. Further, if you have any doubts, you can call me directly. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.